Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on mastering CSS Grid for complex layouts in modern React applications. Imagine being able to create stunning, responsive web designs that work seamlessly across any device. CSS Grid is your powerful ally in achieving just that, especially when combined with React's dynamic capabilities. In this video, you'll learn how to leverage CSS Grid to build advanced layouts, from basic principles to real-world applications. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to enhance your web applications, making them not only visually appealing, but also highly functional. If you're passionate about web development and keen on staying ahead with the latest techniques, you won't want to miss this. Make sure to subscribe for more high-quality tutorials that will keep you at the forefront of web technology. CSS Grid is a revolutionary layout system that allows you to create two-dimensional layouts on the web. Unlike previous methods that required hacks and workarounds, CSS Grid provides a clean and straightforward approach to designing complex layouts. It operates by defining a grid container and placing grid items within it. The container is where you specify the grid structure, rows and columns, while the items are the elements you position within these grids. This system allows for precise control over layout dimensions and placement, making it ideal for responsive design. Imagine building a dashboard with a header, sidebar, and main content area. CSS Grid simplifies this process significantly. In the context of React, it becomes even more powerful, as you can encapsulate your grid logic within reusable components, making your codebase clean and maintainable. Let's dive into a practical example to see CSS Grid in action within a React application. We'll explore the dashboard component, which defines a simple yet flexible grid layout. The component consists of three main sections: a header, a sidebar, and a main content area. Here's how the dashboard component is structured in dashboard.js. Now let's see this application in action. Imagine navigating to a web page where the layout dynamically adjusts as you interact with it. As you load the page, the header prominently displays at the top, providing a consistent navigation point. The sidebar comfortably sits on the left, offering quick access to various options, while the main content area dominates the center, ready to present rich information. As you scroll, each section maintains its integrity, ensuring a smooth and cohesive user experience. This demonstration showcases the power of CSS Grid in creating intuitive and responsive layouts that enhance user interaction. In conclusion, mastering CSS Grid in React applications empowers you to create complex and responsive web layouts with ease. We've covered the foundational concepts, practical implementations, and real-world applications of CSS Grid. By integrating these techniques, you'll be able to build sophisticated interfaces that not only look great, but also functions seamlessly across devices. Remember, staying updated with modern web development practices is crucial, and subscribing to this channel will provide you with ongoing access to valuable insights and tutorials. Embrace these skills and transform your web development projects into engaging and dynamic user experiences.